This is the final video to fix Adobe Error Code 131 in Creative Cloud. If you see Error Code 131 while trying to install or update Adobe Creative Cloud, it means the installation process is being blocked or cannot complete. This usually happens because of corrupted installation files, leftover components from previous installations, or conflicts with system permissions and antivirus programs. In this video, I will show you every possible way to fix this problem. You will learn how to remove old Adobe files completely, reset the Creative Cloud installer, check system permissions, and resolve conflicts with security software. I will cover solutions for both Windows and Mac users. So, no matter which system you're using, you can get Creative Cloud working properly. Follow each step carefully, and by the end of this video, Adobe Creative Cloud will install without errors, and you'll be able to access all your apps smoothly. Make sure you watch till the end to catch all the fixes that actually work.